This is WDFA 101.5 on the FM dial and 3.325 megahertz on shortwave. Now we're going to spin up this next track for you. Oh, wait, hold on. No, it's not a civil emergency message. Holy shit. Is that an emergency action notification? Alright, stand by. We have a national emergency in progress. Stand by for an emergency.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable TV systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This is WDFA. We will continue to serve the Fountain area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to a station providing news and information for your area. At 9:23 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, a disaster of unknown type has occurred at the Black Mesa Research Compound, resulting in unknown alien life forms escaping the compound. Nothing is known about these life forms at this time. However, you should shelter in place and shoot to kill if these life forms enter your home. Do not delay. Grab a firearm or other means of protection now.
Galanga. Long gong